One of the things that makes this country great is how we innovate. At ARRCO, we don't just remanufacture, we recreate. Our process strips failed compressors to their core, breathes new life into them, and a new heart too. Leveraging an experienced workforce of craftsmen paired with the latest technology, our third-generation family-owned company has all the best parts of a mom and pop and the inventory to keep up with our growing partners with access across the U.S. Tools you'd expect from a company who values its customers, helping you find what you need so you can get back to work and know we got your back. ARRCO, remanufactured to last.